Here I have UMI Super, and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's find and select the power key, keep holding power, choose power off, and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys, and release them as soon as UMI logo pops up in front of you. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. As soon as Android robot pops up, let's start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. This is the Android recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So now let's highlight reboot to bootloader and press power key to confirm it. When the following picture pops up, let's start holding power key and press volume up once, and press power key to confirm reboot to bootloader. As you can see, the device is booting into the Fastboot mode. This is the information about the Fastboot mode, so right now your device is in your desired mode. If you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply press power key for a long time. Let me show you. Keep holding power button. Release power as soon as phone goes black. And then let's start holding power key again just to turn back on the device. And that's it, the UMI is turning on. Excellent, now you can unlock the device and start using your phone. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.